Hi guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video. David here, and today we're going to see just a few updates inside of Waterfall City. You guys can see the city continues to grow. Now with this beautiful sunset, it's almost 6 o'clock. This is what we're going to do today. Quick updated video. If you didn't see the latest updates, I will leave the link down below for you guys to have a look. So it's more like a video update. I also like to do a waterfall at this time of the day because we have a beautiful sunset. Look at that sun. So the last video we actually have done, it was like 3 months ago. Sure man, time flies. And they started just to build another building, which I like about this project. They don't talk too much, they show. You can see this building here also being built. Impressive, eh? It just carries on, doesn't stop. Not bad. It's like 5:46 at the moment. Need to show you guys both sides of the road, or it's not gonna make sense. And of course, different angles, different views. I want you guys to have a full idea of all Waterfall City. Another big project right here in sunny South Africa. There's another project going on there because you see the cranes, guys. I'm not sure what it is, but yeah, it would be great to find out. So that thing there is a big data center. We want to go that side actually. Oh no, there you go, 3 buildings coming up. Look at that. See it? So excusez-moi, there's much more going up. So at the moment there are 3 buildings going up, as far as I've seen. One next to the PSG head office, another one next to that big American data center. And there is another one here on the side of the road that I want to show you guys. So just to think that 3 months ago this started, I mean like the new developments, and they, at least here they don't waste time, they go straight to the goal. So you see that's another crane there, that's what I mentioned, next to the PSG and Cisco head offices. Yeah, going up. Okay, so continuing. BMW dealership. BMW has a big footprint here on the development. Alright, this is the one that I was telling you guys about. So it seems like Epcon is taking care of it. Construction excellence, blah 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 blah. Not sure what it is, but it's coming up. Head office. Okay, so you guys can see, listen to put some petrol. It's beautiful sunset. A little bit cloudy. Just those colors, orange mixed with blue, and something so amazing about the sunsets in the African continent. It's just those things that just takes you back. The beauty of our country, of our continent, it's just incredible. Again guys, this is just a quick view of waterfall updates. Not gonna be a big video like half an hour like the last one, but if you guys you didn't see the video yet because you just subscribed a few days ago, make sure that you're gonna see it down below on the pinned comment. Netcare beautiful addition to our beautiful Johannesburg. So what Amazon is. Let me know if you guys want me to do waterfall at night also. Try to see how it comes out. Yep. Another crane. The convention center probably will take another few months. Probably next year will come up also. Let me know down below if you guys know these new projects coming up. Okay, so Mall of Africa. Seeing this city is like seeing a nice modern piece of art, you know. You need to analyze it and study it from many angles. Okay, the lights building, we also have done it inside. The Waterfall City playlist will be down below. We always get great shots from here. All of Africa. Look man, look at these beautiful colors. Of course, our Santa is somewhere there. So like a Leonardo is behind the bush, I mean the trees. Look at that. This alone deserves to be the video's thumbnail. Mall of Africa. TV. It was received the international award last year. So imagine when all this terrain, this swell terrain, is like full of new developments. I'm really curious to see what's going on here. You guys can see the highway from here. So a lot of estates on this side. Look at that. Very nice. That's the 3.5 billion rand Mall of Africa. You guys can access to, you guys can see the wheel there, you guys can access that through the, I think 3rd floor or 2nd floor of Mall of Africa. You guys just go through the restaurant side. Okay, so I think I'm going here on the right. Oi, the final boss of the final tower is coming up. Look at that. Already erecting the main the main structure. Look at that. So this is where the convention center is going to be built, between the courtyard and the Nexus building. Right here, guys. Okay. Parties in the office. Hey. Like it, love it. Waterfall of Africa, right there. Okay, so there you go, guys. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys like what we just showed you. Stunning, eh? Love it. I'm gonna see if I can do it at night, guys. So I'm gonna buy cameras if they work cool. But again, guys, make sure you share, subscribe, and destroy that like button. And we will see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.